Hello everyone. Today we are here to discuss the topic trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics in which we will deal about the lines as well as the angles. It is a function of a relation between the angles and the lines. First of all, we will discuss about the trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios? Students, you know about that the ratio. Ratio is the fraction. Ratio is the value of the fractions which will have to be taken from the side upon side. So here we have the six trigonometric ratios. First one is of sine, second one is of cosine, third one is of tangent, fourth one is of cosecant, fifth one is of secant, and sixth one is of cotangent. Student, these short forms also which we will have here, that is sine, next one is of cos, next one is of tangent, tan, and next one is of cos, next one is of sec, and next one is of cot. These abbreviations we will use in this one topic in the form of the direction trigonometric ratios. Student, here we have the angle 90 degree, and this one we have the right angle triangle. This side is known as the hypotenuse, this side is known as the perpendicular, and this side is known as the base. So how this trigonometric ratios has to be defined here? So first one is of sine. If we will take the angle C or the A, firstly we will take the angle C, which is of the base of BC. So sin C will be equal to the perpendicular upon the hypotenuse. So we have the perpendicular AB and the hypotenuse is AC. That means the sine value of angle C is equal to the adjacent side or the perpendicular sides of the BC and the in front of the side that is known as the hypotenuse. So next one is of cos C. Cos C will be equal to the base upon hypotenuse. So we have the base BC and the hypotenuse is this one of AC. Next one is of tan. So tan C will be equal to perpendicular upon base. So what is perpendicular we have? We have perpendicular AB and the base we have BC. These three are the main values. The rest of the three values will be taken out by the reciprocal of these three trigonometric ratios, as sine is a reciprocal of cosec. So cosec C will be equal to 1 upon sin C. Next one is of cos C. So cos C will be equal to 1 upon sec C. And last one is of tan C equal to 1 upon cot C. We can write here the cross multiplication and change the these ratios into each other. So we will write it sin C equal 1 upon cos C. These are known as the trigonometric ratios. Now students, we will discuss about some identities of trigonometry. Identities means their applications, their values, how they are make the relations with the trigonometric ratios. There are the three trigonometric ratios. Six trigonometric ratios, and there are the three values for this. The first one identity sine square a plus cos square a equal 1. Next one is of sec square a minus tan square a equal 1. Third one is of cosec square a minus cot square a equal 1. These three identities we can use to solve the proof questions. There are the proof questions we have. So first one is of if we will convert these values here, so sin square a plus cos square equal 1. So by first one identity, we can write here cos square a equal 1 minus sin square a. Is it clear? Cos square a is to be taken as left and sin square a it will go towards the right side. So their sign is a plus, so it will convert it to the minus sign. Second one, by the second one identity, you will write the similarly if we will take the value of sec square or the tan square. As we have taken the value of cos square a from this first one equation, so we will write here sin square a equal 1 minus cos square a. So we have just converted this value cos square a 1 minus sin square a in the right side. Similarly, sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. We have the two more values which we can have to find out the sec square a in the form of tan square a and the tan square a in the form of sec square a. Again, the last cosec square a is in the form of the cot square a, and the similar cot square a is just taken in the form of the cosec square a. So okay students, I hope that you have to understand. Thank you.